Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn pronouns. So what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that refers to or takes the place of noun. The noun being referred to is called the antecedent. The identifier of the pronoun is made clear by the antecedent. For example, the boy said that he was tired. Here, the boy is an antecedent. He is a pronoun. For example, the pronoun he is referring back to the noun. The boy. There are many different types of pronouns: personal, possessive, reflexive, intensive, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, indefinite, and reciprocal. Let us see what is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns that refers to a specific person or a things in a sentence and can be divided into groups: nominative and adjective. Nominative personal pronouns can act as the subject of the sentence. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. For example, I went to the store after the work. Here I is the personal pronoun. Look at the second sentence. You should not go to the class if you are sick. Here you is the personal pronoun. Let us see the examples of objective personal pronouns. On the other hand, act as objects of the sentence: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. For example, Alex came out with Joe and me. Here me is the example for objective personal pronouns. Am I clear? Next we can see possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that show ownership. In other words, something belongs to someone else. My, mine, your, yours, his, her, its, our, ours, their, theirs. For example, that book is mine. Here mine is the example for possessive pronoun. Their shoes are under the bed. Here there is the example for personal pronoun. Next we can see reflexive pronouns, or pronouns that are used to show that the subject of the sentence is receiving the action of the verb. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, themself. Let us see the example. She can handle the situation herself. Here herself is the example for reflexive pronoun. We can write the paper ourselves. Here ourselves is the example for reflexive pronouns. I hope you understand. Next we can see. So, personal nominative. For example, I. It will change into personal adjective, me. You, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, they, them. Next we can see possessive pronoun, how it changed into reflexive pronoun. My, mine. It will change reflective pronoun as myself. You, yours. it will change into reflective pronoun as yourself. His, himself, her, herself, its, itself, our, ourselves, their, themselves. Intensive pronouns are pronouns that are used only to place emphasis on the subject and are not essential to the meaning of the sentence. Note, these pronouns look the same as reflexive pronouns, but they act differently in the sentence and are always placed next to the subject. That they are emphasizing myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. For example, you yourself must go to the police station. This is an example for intensive pronoun, yourself. Next one is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that are used to identify nouns and answer the question which one, this, that, these, those. For example, these are the books that John was talking about. Here these is example for demonstrative pronouns. Next one is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used only in reference to the question who, what, which, whom, whose. For example, which one of these pen is yours? Here, which is the example for interrogative pronoun. Who is that girl? Here, who is the example for interrogative pronoun. Next we can see relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are pronouns that are used to connect clarifying information to nouns or other pronouns within the sentence. Who, that, which, whom, whose, whoever, whichever, whomever, whatever. Here are some examples. Who is used when referring to a subject? Who went to the store after work? Who sings this song? Then let us see the example for whom. Whom is used when referring to an object. With whom did Alex go out? The letter should be addressed to whom? So these are the examples for relative pronouns. I hope you all understand.